This began 2 years ago, 3 years ago, when the Mayor Keller put a call to action to the aviation department to create a program that opens the doors for small businesses to participate in the concessions program. This program is quite unique. It's the largest program anywhere in the U.S. airport system with 9 retail shops, and we're proud to lead the way and hope that other airports follow that lead. Every journey has a story, and in every story there are actors and actresses. I refer to them as partners, stakeholders, shakers and movers. This didn't happen with one person, it was a team.
Yesterday was the soft opening. We walked the floor and we visited all the kiosks, and I was just really blown away with not only the quality of the products, which we knew were great, but the quality of the displays and really the heart and the energy that all the vendors were bringing to our terminal building.